You like that better?
Yeah, way better.
That's what you want. Okay, so that's good. So now it's symmetrical. Symmetrical meaning your left arm and your right arm are matching up on each side. Okay, so Nicholas, so you know what symmetrical means, Johnny? I don't know. You don't know what symmetrical means, do you? It's okay not to. Okay, that's fine. So Nicholas was really up. Did he go across like Hogan? Okay. He went really up, but then he went back up. You got the difference? And then you got Hogan who was flat. Did he go up like Nicholas? No, he went here and he went here. But for a while, you're getting over here, your upper body is, you weren't finishing your turn, your upper body's going a little forward, causing you to be a little hand path a little bit more here, and then you try and save it, right? So now what we're doing is we're finishing our turn. Our balance points were also going back, which is also causing us to want to go more out, okay? So we're going to stay in it more, and our hand path's not going to go down. It's going to feel more pressure this way for you, okay? And part of it is your shoulders are opening where? This way with your hips rather than them feeling like that. So this push away is going to slow the shoulder from going where? Out. So most players are about 45 here. You're about 22, okay? You know what I'm saying? You're right, wide open. But I think that's going to slow you down a little bit from that. So we like that.
Hey, it's Rock here. Got some good feedback on my last video. People were saying, you know, it looked like I had a hockey type release because I had to trying to get the face closed. So you're closed here and then come down. But I did research. I don't think it's a hockey shot because it looks like to me the hockey players get in here and then it's kind of all pivot here. Okay, so it's actually a separate release from that. So from the pivot. So it's like Darius biokinetic swing theory described it as slap hinge release. So it's, you know, purely on the vertical plane. So it's, you know, it's like this. So the thing that I'm doing a little bit different than just a pure slap hinge release is I'm coming in shut and then doing the slap hinge, but going kind of like the opposite of a crossover release. So I'll call it the twisting slap hinge release. So let's see what the twisting slap hinge release looks like. Okay, so that one's straight left, pretty solid though. So I was really trying to get up here, get the face shut, and then when I come through here, I'm twisting like kind of like under this way. So I get shut like this to over exaggerate. So I'm like, if I go like this, I'm like back out of it, twist it the other way. So the club's going from like shut like that. So shut, like that. So twisting slap hinge release. Okay, nice high fade there. Felt really good. Getting a lot of feedback from Gankas guys, and yeah, I definitely like what he's saying with, it feels like when you're doing this stuff that you're kind of, almost pushing your hands out this way, and when you get it, when you push out this way as far as you can, the right tricep here, left tricep, you're pushing out, and that kind of naturally reverse slots the club. So I think he's kind of brilliant for what he's doing there. Like I've said, kind of in writing, it's definitely taken a few of the concepts I had for over the top move to a new level. So that's really great to see. With my suspended animation, I just kind of thought of the idea of just going from here to here, and flying wings where I had my elbows kind of out like that, and doing like that. I've had the hurricane hammer where I just went like this and just kind of down like that. So pretty good stuff from him. Okay, lost that one right. I really tried to go for a major over the top. Alright, keep going for it. I'm trying to get way out there. So Gankas style, way out there. A pretty good ball, had a little bit of curve on it, but definitely has some serious power. It's like right, just trickling the right green side bunker, so real solid. Alright, let me try Gankas style one more time. See if I can get further out than ever. Okay, straight left that time. Keep going. Just gotta keep going at it. When you feel something, you gotta try to take it to the limit. It's amazing, you think you're doing like way more than you actually you're actually doing the video. So, all right, Gankas style, try 3. So I'm gonna do the Gankas style twisting slap hinge. Okay, high fade that time when the bunker body felt freed up. So let's see how it looks. Try and slap hinge release. So from here to here, here to here, twist down this way, start hinging, twist while you're twisting up. So let's see what it looks like. Thanks for all the help. Thanks guys, see you, bye. Okay, here's some wedges, twisted, slap hinge, Gankas style. Let's see how it looks. 144. So I'm gonna have to hit this good. Okay, that was short, hit it thin. Hit it probably like one groove up maybe. Okay, good ball there, front of the green. A little bit of a fade on it. Pretty good divot. Felt pretty good. Try it again. See if I can get the yardage. I think I got to really got to shut it down here. And, yeah, it feels like the more I can shut it down, the more I can push my hands out, and then I just slap it down. Felt really good on a few of them today. Alright, let's see if I can get it on camera. Okay, front of the green, so didn't quite get the yardage, but it's cold out, so it's not too bad getting a wedge, maybe 135, 136 it looks like. So just feel like get up here, try to get the face as shut as I can, and then just I'm pushing, keep pushing my hands out, and that's the thing that's making my club, flatten out just enough. I get in here and just release it that way. So full speed when everything's, my pivot's turning and everything's happening. We'll see how it looks like, but that's what I'm physically trying to do with my hands, and to do that twisting slap hinge release. So we'll see how it looks, guys. Thanks. See ya.